Hey, Jeff Becker here, founder at In Control SEL and Can Do You. So as you may or may not have known, I'm a former educator and a former counselor, and I was a teacher for 3 years, and I know that education is not only hard, but it can get a little bit monotonous too. Like every year has its own ups and downs, and some years are better or worse than others, and some are happy, some make you want to rip your hair out. But thinking back, there was something that really got me excited every time I did it. And it brought me joy whenever I remembered to do it heading into a new school year. So if you want to know what that is, I'm about to tell you. Okay, so like I said, we don't need to leave it up to chance to create some excitement around a school year. Whether you're a principal, teacher, counselor, instructional staff person, district person, here's my first big piece of advice. Tip sacred cows. And so here's what I mean. We can get doing these same things year after year after year. And I'll speak for myself. Sometimes I would forget why I was even doing those things, or maybe I'd think of a better way, but I never got the guts to actually execute it. So here's what I want you to do to create some excitement this school year. Find that sacred cow and then here, I'll even get you started with some ideas. Look at school-wide goals and make a really exciting non-academic one to add to it. Something like reducing referrals, getting a high mark on a student or teacher satisfaction survey. You want to decrease tardiness. I don't know, set a goal on how many kids wear school spirit clothes on Fridays. Start tracking something that's not been tracked before. Or maybe like a different sacred cow could be doing away with like old boring pep rally formats, or maybe your school just doesn't do pep rallies and you want to get them started, or maybe you want to start a school spirit store or redo the school spirit store. Or maybe you want to shake things up with clubs and sports and activities. Or maybe, I don't know, start like a teacher coffee bar system where you all donate and have a really nice coffee bar. I don't know. If any of those things got you excited, go ahead before I say the next one and hit that subscribe button and share this video with somebody you care about. Anyway, like I said, every year has its own ups and downs. The least you could do is, I don't know, give yourself something exciting to look forward to, and make sure that you track it. If you need help and you're like, how am I going to track that? I created a really cool, completely free ebook. It's on my website. It's called, wait for it, How to Create Smart Goals. I know, clever. So you can get that ebook by going to one of my websites. It's www. Do I even need to say www anymore? Yeah, probably not. But anyway, it's incontrolsel.com/ebook. Again, that's incontrolsel.com/ebook. And it has this really cool bonus section that you'll really like, because sometimes it's scary. You have this awesome idea and you need help kind of unpacking it for your boss in a way that doesn't make you sound like a crazy person. So there's a bonus section in there on how to pitch your boss on your crazy idea.